GA's on his way. We're gonna start cutting up the truck. The ultimate goal, I guess, really is to clear the 40s, clear the body of the 40s. I have like a huge bump stop spacer in there, and I'd like to get rid of that. These springs are also so stiff that they don't let the axle actually touch the thing, so I'm gonna have to respring it too. Also, it's like, it touches my garage door when I pull it in, so I'm not really in the super tall spring fan club. Pull the springs and fully articulate the axle with the tire on, so we can get, you know, good idea where the tire goes without having to actually flex it on the springs. So I'm gonna build sliders. I'm gonna modify my rear bumper that I built. Gonna radius the body for 40s. Probably going to end up cutting into the doors pretty heavily, so this might be kind of a cool. I have not seen anybody do this online. So all that said, no music montages, no time lapses. I mean, I guess I could time lapse, right? I got a GoPro here, and I've got a drone, and I've got you know, more camera gear than I know what to do with. I've got a monitor down here, I've got there, I got a microphone there, I've got remote microphone thingies here, I've got I got a whole internet, entire planet right there, I've got a thing here that controls all the cool lights. Yeah, look at that, that was pretty neat, huh? I bet you didn't see that coming. So, here we go. You're not supposed to talk bad about products you paid for.
What? Why not?
You're only supposed to talk bad about them if they gave them to you for free.
For the jam and make it look right afterwards.
I already have that figured out.
You do? I'm just wondering myself, because that's like, I would look at that as the limiting factor. Is here's the door, and you're really not going any further than what you got right now.
Step on that. No, the damn, that's fucking cool as hell. out with the hammer. Maybe channel locks is a good idea.
Bend a few times here.
I just found these in the truck. See back for new allergens. It's out of focus. Okay, I'm gonna do the thing that I hate the most, which is look at the screen. But for the sake of focus, you'll forgive me, I know it. The fender's been cut way too much to be able to go back now. Yeah, we're just gonna do it. Fingers crossed this doesn't unravel into some disastrous nightmare, but it's always kind of scary in the beginning of a project like this to, once it starts going back together, I'm always more confident. I mean, I can weld, I can fabricate. I'm not great at either one of those things, but am I still in focus? Yeah. Oh, I'm looking at the camera. I gotta get a harness out of the way inside, and I'm gonna completely cut that section off and put a tire on it and jack it up into the hole before the night is over. Was that good peanut ASMR? Leave a comment, like, subscribe. So now the right side of the axle is lower than the left side of the axle. So there's already some sort of imitation of articulation there. I'm going to try and work this jack off into the try and work this jack into the corner. See if I can continue to that's pretty far up there. That is not full stuff. Not yet. That feels pretty close there.